Have you ever wished for a mode of transportation to take you to your destination with remarkable speed and safety? What if you could travel at such incredible speeds that the entire world seemed compressed, allowing you to reach far-off places in no time? The future of transport has arrived, changing how we traverse this planet. Get ready to explore the revolutionary mode of travel that is transforming our world. Watch on to learn more. What is a mode of transportation? Transportation has been a commodity since then, and it's no surprise that new technologies have made it easier to get around. A mode of transportation refers to how people and goods move from one place to another. It can include cars, planes, trains, buses, boats, bicycles, you name it. There are different transport mode options for different use cases. There are also other modes of transportation that are less common, such as hovercrafts, magnetic levitation trains, airships, and monorails. Transportation is also essential in the business sector, as it helps companies move their goods and services from one location to another, such as maritime shipping, air transportation, and rail transport. Explore the different modes of transportation. There are many options, from walking and biking to trains and planes. Here are some of the most popular ways to get around. Air transportation. Whether taking a short domestic flight or an international journey, air travel is one of the fastest ways to get from point A to point B. Air cargo is one of the most popular air transportation methods for businesses and individuals. It lets you move items or packages quickly and safely across the globe. Rail transportation. If you want a more leisurely travel experience, consider taking the train. It's usually cheaper, and you can often enjoy stunning countryside views along the way. Bus transportation. Buses are another affordable way to get around, especially if you're traveling in a group or must make several stops. Road transport also provides easy access to smaller towns and rural areas. Maritime transportation. If you want to explore the waters, cruise or hop on a ferry for an unforgettable journey. Freight transport is also essential in business and industry, helping to move goods worldwide. Cargo ships and container ships are two of the most popular modes of maritime transport, especially in the international trade industry. Intermodal transportation. Intermodal transportation is when you combine two or more modes of transport for your journey, such as taking a train and then a bus. It can be an efficient way to get around if you're trying to save time and money. No matter what mode of transportation you choose, make sure to plan and bring the necessary documents with you before embarking on your journey. With the proper planning, you'll be able to get from point A to point B in no time. Pros and cons of different transportation modes. There are also things to consider when choosing a mode of transportation. Let us examine the pros and cons of several common transport methods. Driving. This mode of transportation provides convenience but has its drawbacks. Plus, you control your schedule and can take multiple stops. However, driving also means being responsible for fuel costs and car maintenance, which can add up over time. Additionally, traffic jams can be an issue in certain parts of the country. Public transportation. This mode of transportation is a great way to save money and helps reduce car emissions. Additionally, public transportation systems are usually very reliable and convenient as well. However, you're at the mercy of their schedules and routes, which may not always suit your needs. Cycling. Cycling is a great way to get around. It's inexpensive, eco-friendly, and can be a great source of exercise. However, cycling can be dangerous on busy roads or in areas with poor infrastructure for cyclists. Additionally, depending on the location and your needs, it may not always be practical as a primary form of transportation. Walking. Walking is the simplest form of transportation and is great for staying active. Plus, it's free. The downside is that walking can be time-consuming, and you may be unable to cover large distances. To discover the world of logistics management, check out our previous video. Cost comparisons of each mode of transportation. How much does it cost to get from point A to point B? That depends on which mode of transportation you choose. Taking a car may be the most convenient, but it can also be the priciest when factoring in gas costs and parking fees. Here are the estimated costs for the most common modes of transportation around town. Taxi. An average ride in a taxi will cost between $5 and $15 depending on the distance traveled. Bus. It only costs about $2 to take the bus, making it one of the cheapest ways to get around. Carpooling. Rideshare. Sharing the cost of a car ride through carpooling or ride-sharing can save you money, depending on how many people are splitting the fare. Bicycle. A bicycle is free and great for short distances. Plus, it's an environmentally friendly option for your health. Walking. It doesn't get much cheaper than walking, and it can be a great way to explore your city. No matter what mode of transportation you choose, you can always count on getting from point A to point B in no time. How to choose the right vehicle for your needs. Here are some of the tips for selecting the right mode of transportation. Determine what you need to transport. If you are just carrying around yourself and a few items, then a bicycle or other small form of personal transport may be ideal. However, if you need to move bulkier items, a car or van would be more suitable. Consider your budget. Think about how much you can afford to spend on a vehicle. Then narrow down your options accordingly. Consider the terrain. If you are doing much off-roading or traveling over rough terrain, an all-terrain vehicle might best suit your needs. On the other hand, if you plan to drive mainly on pavement, a car or motorcycle could be sufficient. Evaluate your skill level. If you're new to driving, it might be best to opt for something simpler like a bicycle or scooter so that you can get the hang of it without too much hassle. Research different vehicles. Once you've narrowed down your choices, take some time to research other vehicles so that you can make an informed decision. Ultimately, the key to selecting the right mode of transportation is to consider all your needs and preferences before purchasing. With some planning and research, you'll find the perfect vehicle. To explore the different truck types, check out our previous video. Overview of the latest transportation technology. Have you ever felt stuck in transportation purgatory, wishing you could get where you need to go faster? Well, the future of transportation is here, and it's jam-packed with exciting new technology. There are plenty of options for getting around without breaking a sweat, from self-driving cars to high-speed trains. Here's an overview of some of the most innovative transportation technology available today. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are quickly becoming a reality, with many companies racing to create the most advanced autonomous vehicles on the market. With features like adaptive cruise control and lane guidance, these vehicles can take you where you need to go without any help from the driver. This technology is still in its early stages, but promises to revolutionize how we get around it. High-speed trains. High-speed trains are becoming increasingly popular as a mode of transportation across the world. These trains can travel up to 300 kilometers per hour, allowing them to cover long distances quickly and efficiently. Many countries have already begun developing their high-speed rail networks, and the technology is improving. Hyperloop. Hyperloop technology has been making headlines lately as a potential option for fast, efficient transportation across long distances. This innovative system uses magnetic levitation to propel capsules through tubes at up to 700 miles per hour, allowing passengers to get from one place to another in record time. While this technology is still being tested, it could one day revolutionize global transportation. These are just a few of the various transportation modes available today. Whether you're looking for a way to get from point A to point B faster or to explore new technology, these options will surely get you where you need to go in style. So what are you waiting for? Hop on board and let the journey begin. Apart from the remarkable advancements in transportation, one tool has emerged as a game changer in enhancing efficiency: GPS tracking. With real-time updates on traffic conditions and crucial travel information, GPS tracking empowers drivers to meticulously plan their routes, effectively sidestepping congested areas and significantly improving the efficiency of shipments and trips. Furthermore, it allows companies to closely monitor their drivers' performance, enhancing safety and overall operational efficiency. If you're searching for a reliable GPS tracking solution, we recommend checking out this option. Affiliate disclaimer: Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Embark on an extraordinary journey of efficiency and convenience with Motive. This state-of-the-art platform offers a remarkable experience, empowering drivers with its intuitive interface for seamless hours tracking and generating inspection reports on the go. However, Motive doesn't stop there. It goes above and beyond by equipping companies with real-time monitoring capabilities to track drivers' progress and performance. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity and discover the power of Motive today. To learn about the jobs available in the transportation industry, check out our previous video. Final thoughts. The world is becoming increasingly connected as technology advances, and transportation plays a key role. With new modes of transportation such as electric cars, buses, and bicycles being embraced by many people, the way we navigate our cities is changing. This shift towards greener and more efficient ways of getting around can reduce our environmental impact, improve public health, and create more vibrant and livable cities. So go ahead, embrace change, and jump onto a mode of transportation that works for you. Thank you for checking out this video on the changing transportation landscape. We hope this gives you some insight into why and how people are using new ways of getting around, and that it inspires you to explore all available options. Happy travels. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.